Today I'm doing something that I don't really do a whole lot of, and that's float fishing. I have a float here, and then there's a little bit of a leader, and then I have a little lead jig head on there, and I'm going to be using some shrimp. This is uncooked frozen shrimp. We're going to see if we can catch some fish today. I'm out here on the dock again. It's a decent day. It's kind of windy, but we're protected by the wind here. So I saw a couple of perch following this little grub, but we're gonna see if maybe this shrimp works a little bit better. They didn't bite this, they just followed it, so they should bite on this. So we'll see what happens today. Okay, so we have our piece of shrimp on there. It's just the shrimp tail, and we're gonna see if we can catch something with this. It's a pretty nice day. It's in the low 50s. There's some sun and clouds mixed. We're gonna see if we can catch something today. There's a few birds flying around. I'm sure you can see those. You don't really want to whip it out there because then your bait could fall off. Ooh, somebody took that. They took it fast. The float disappeared right under the water. Didn't get them. Let's check the bait and make sure they didn't steal it. Oh, a fish stole the bait off there. Gotta reload. Fish stole the bait right off of there. Oh, there's a fish. We got a fish. He hit it soft. It's a bass. A little largemouth bass. Little largemouth bass caught on the frozen shrimp. Let's unhook this guy right here. So that's the reason why it hit so soft. It's a largemouth bass. It's a nice little guy. Looks like maybe 6 inches. Well, that was cool. It's the first fish on the float rig here with a jig and a piece of shrimp. So we're gonna reload, try that again. Oh, floats under. Oh, he came, pulled it out of his mouth. The bait's still on there, I can see it. Felt like a little stronger fish. I got the old beat up crankbait on there. Still catches me a lot of fish. So anyway, we're gonna test out here and see if there's any bass that might be lurking around in some of the deeper pockets further out. Alright, we're at a different spot now. We move down. These little things here are for the fire department. I was told that I could fish around these, so I'm not trespassing. So see if we can catch some fish around here. Now I had good luck in the fall when I was out in my boat, but that's a different time of year. So still a nice day though. I mean, if the wind would calm down just a little bit, I'd be happier. See if we can get anything over here. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, he just came straight out. He just came straight at us there. Oh boy, that's a nice bass. That is a nice bass. He followed that. Oh, that's a good fish. Followed that right straight at us. What a beauty. That is a nice bass. Look at that bass. That's a good fish. probably looking at least 16 right there. Get a picture of this fish and let him back in there. He's nice and warm. He came right out of the shallows up here. All right, bass. Wow, what a nice fish. I'm gonna let this one go. Right back in the water here. What a beauty. That was a big old bass there. Good fish. Nice birch tree. They left this one. They trimmed all the other trees around here last fall, but they left this nice birch. I'm glad they did. It's a pretty tree.